All right, scholars, this is Word Study Level 2. We're on page 3. The instructions here tell us we need to put a V under each vowel and think about how many syllables are in each non-word. Put each word in the correct list. So what we're going to do is as we come to each vowel, we're going to put this little V to mark that it's a vowel. So for Wumlon, I see a U and an O. Chazhudlok, I see an O, a U, and an O. Thun Moth, I see a U and an O. Chompug, I see an O and a U. And you're going to do the rest of these. So we have Thaws, Shubrampod, Lomp, Bog Mun Pas, and Wud Fon Lump. What I would do is I would write down my vowels at the top of the page so I don't forget them. So the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. That way I know when I'm recognizing a vowel. Then it wants to tell us to think about how many syllables are in each word, and we're going to split them up between 1 syllable, 2 syllables, 3 syllables. So they've done the first one for us. 1 syllable is shab. So Wumlon, I say Wumlon. That sounds like 2 syllables, so I'm going to put that in the 2 syllable spot. Chazhudlok. That's 3 syllables, so he's going to go here. Hudlok. Okay? So you're going to do the same thing for the rest of these words. We have, I've read them all to you, so go ahead and put them in the correct spot. Then what it wants you to do, we don't need to do this, just ignore this guy. Then right here we're going to do the second section. Choose the correct syllable to complete each real word. Cross them out as you go. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the word in the blank to make this into a whole word. If you read it back to yourself and it doesn't make sense, then you probably have the wrong word in the spot. So you need to either ask for help or try again. So they did the first one for us. Mustang makes Mustang. So they crossed out must. So the syllables we have are long, mit, chip, glut, cyst, rupt, fin, bass, and con. So let's see. The way I would do this is I would just go through and sub things in and see if it makes sense. Some long, no. Summit, that's a word. So I'm going to go ahead and put mit right here and cross it out and make the word summit. Boom. Bomb, blank tick. Bomb long tick, bomb chip tick, bomb glue tick, bomb cystic, bomb ruptic, bomb fintic, bombastic. That sounds like maybe. Bomb contic. But you know what? I'm going to leave that one blank just to come back to it after I finish and see if there were other ones that might make more sense. So blank ton. Long ton, chip ton, glutton. Oh, that makes sense. Glutton. Glutton. All right, so you're going to do this for the rest of these. I think this one is bass. So we're going to go ahead and fill that one in so you have that one. Bomb, bass, tick. Okay? So the rest of these are dis blank, blank monk, in blank, blank tact, ob blank, muff blank. Do not worry about the star. You don't have to worry about that guy. Once you finish this page, you are finished with word work for this week. You can finish up your listen and respond. And if you're finished with everything, then you can move on to Lexia or IXL. Please ask questions if you get stuck. This is pretty tricky, and I want to make sure that we all understand what we're doing.